Want to track every visitor and conversion on your online store using Facebook Pixel? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First, open your Facebook Events Manager and click Add Data Source, then choose Web and select Facebook Pixel. Give your pixel a name and click Create. Next, install the pixel on your website. If you use Shopify, paste the pixel ID into your store's Facebook or marketing settings. For custom sites, copy the pixel code snippet from Events Manager and insert it into the head section of every page on your site. Now verify your setup by installing the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Visit your site and click the extension icon. It should show your pixel firing on each page load. If you see no errors, you're ready to collect data. Finally, create standard events to track specific actions like add to cart, purchase, or lead. In Event Manager, click Add Events, choose from the pixel, then follow the prompts to select buttons or URLs you want to monitor. Each event will now feed data back to Facebook for powerful audience building and ad optimization. With your Pixel Live, you can recreate past visitors, build lookalike audience, and measure campaign performance accurately. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.